अश्विनी, शीतल जी ज्वाइन हुए?
नहीं मैम। मैम कॉल किया था, वो ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं।
ओके, चलिए। कविता जी ज्वाइन हो गए अपने ट्रेजरर।
Sure. Hi, Shashank. I can see Shashank.
शशांक, हेलो। हाय शशांक जी।
I can see Hiral as well. Hi, Hiral.
Oh, he's not able to unmute, शशांक जी।
Hi everyone.
Hi
Good
शशांक जी।
evening.
Nice
Riddhi
to
has
have.
also joined.
Hiral has joined. She also can't unmute, it seems.
I guess there's a setting
Hello.
where
Yeah. तो प्राची,
Prachi, can you unblock Riddhi's camera and audio?
Riddhi, what? Shashank, I can't hear you.
Riddhi is there in the meeting.
Okay. Hi, Riddhi.
Hi, Prachi. Hi,
How are you?
Hi, everyone. Good. How are you?
All well, all well. Thank you for joining us.
Of course. Look forward.
Anita ji is also here.
Yeah, hi Riddhi ji, hi. Nice to have you today.
Hi. Happy to be here as well.
Thank you.
Shall we begin?
Yeah, 5 more minutes, Riddhi ma'am. Waiting for Sheetal ji to join, our chairperson.
Anita ji, I am here. Please start the meeting.
Hi, Sheetal ji. Jai Jinendra.
Jai Jinendra, Prachi ji.
Okay. Chaliye, we'll start. It's now 4:35 and Sheetal ji is out there. Jai Jinendra to everyone and a very good afternoon to each one of you. In the last few sessions, we built the base, we understood the ecosystem and strengthened our decision making. Today, we step into a high opportunity, high responsibility zone, that's angel and startup investing. This space can feel exciting, but smart investors don't run on excitement. They run on clarity and discipline. Because in startup investing, it's not the story that protects you, it's your thinking framework that protects you. So let me simplify this in one more minute. Angel investing is when one invests their own money at an early stage in startups they believe in before the world believes in them. It's not about quick wins, it's about backing vision, people, and long term value creation. Startups are ideas in motion. They don't yet have long track records or large profits, but they have potential. Angels provide not just early capital, but belief, patience, and guidance. The fuel that helps a young idea survive its most fragile stage. That's why angel investing is powerful, and let's learn this power. We'll begin this in a most auspicious way by reciting Navkar Mantra. Shweta, Ashwini ji, let's start Navkar Mantra.
ॐ नमो वरिहन्ताणं ॐ नमो सिद्धाणं ॐ नमो यर्याणं ॐ नमो वच्छायाणं नमो लोये सवसाहुणं ईशो पञ्चनमुक्कारो सर्वपावपणासनो मङ्गलाणं च सव्वेसिं पढमं हवै मङ्गलं पढमं हवै मङ्गलम्.
Thank you, Ashwini. Now, to formally welcome the gathering and bless today's finale session with leadership presence, may I invite Mrs. Sheetalji Dugar for a gracious and uplifting welcome speech. Over to you, ma'am. Sheetalji.
Thank you, Anita ji. Jai Jinendra, everyone. Thank you, Prachi ji, Anita ji, for conducting this session, and Shashi ji also. Yeah, this must be very useful for us, and thanks to Lakshmi Group who gave their valuable time to our members. And yes, of course, what Anita ji said, that investment is a very important part of our women life. So we should learn and we should start actually investment done by our office. We all know, but something we should also try. For this trying, the sessions we Anita ji kept that while we are buying purses and belt and shoes, like 1 lakh rupees, investing in branded things, we must try this thing also. So I think this sessions would be very valuable for our members. Thank you.
Very true, Sheetalji. Thank you for those insights. And may I now invite Kavita Ji Shah, our poised and practical treasurer, to introduce our first speaker for today. Kavita Ji, please unmute. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Jai Jinendra, everyone. As Sheetalji said, that it is our everyone's responsibility that we should definitely be try our own investment. And as a chartered accountant, I will definitely say that the trying investing or sometimes losing, it's okay for learning, and we should try so that we can earn our own things. So now let's have a brief introduction of Riddhi Dongarsi. She is a proud lady. She is with a co-founder of Lakshmi and India's leading fintech platform dedicated to empowering women with the financial literacy. Riddhi drives product vision, strategic growth, and innovation to create accessible financial tools and educational resources tailored for the women. So Riddhi is working for the women empowerment and women-centric tools. So we welcome Riddhi. Thank you for just be here and giving us idea about that how we go about as a women, how we should invest, and how do we do it. Over to you, Anita ji.
Thank you, Kavita Ji. And the room is yours, Riddhi Ji.
Thank you so much, Kavita ji and Anita ji. So I'll start with a quick introduction, because all of us, our families work very hard for money. So if you're going to trust a money app, we have to know who are the people behind it, right? Which is why Preeti and me make sure we are out there. So I'll give a quick brief about me, my history, all of that, just to make sure and answer any questions you'll have. So I have about 2 decades of experience in product technology, building businesses. I come from a family of 2 girls. And the first reason I decided to actually leave the country and go abroad is I wanted my parents to never feel that they don't have a son. Right? So I come from a family with only girls कि उनको कभी नहीं लगना चाहिए. I assume everyone's okay with Hindi here. कि उनको कभी नहीं लगना चाहिए कि बेटा नहीं है. So I said I have to prove myself, make them proud, show I've got a good education. So about 25 years back, I did a double degree in computer science and business from the University of Warwick. Coming from a fairly traditional family, it wasn't easy. But I think once they saw my conviction, they were okay with me doing that. I then worked at UBS, which is a Swiss bank in London, always wanted to come back to India because of the family, the future potential of India, you know, and the ecosystem. So came back to India about 20 years back, and I've been setting up businesses and technology businesses since then. Now, as women, we always feel better when we are helping someone else, right? We like solving problems. We are emotional. We are empathetic. We are nurturers, right? So if it means taking care of our parents, taking care of our kids, of our husband, of our friend, we are internally empathetic, caring people, right? So similar, when I came back from my degree and we were in the manufacturing business, I realized there's a lot of problems that businesses face today. They don't get paid on time, distribution is expensive, is things like that. That's how I set up my first two startup. The first was Credit Mark, right? And the second was Industricals. So these solved real world problems of small and medium businesses in the country. Now that was acquired by my strategic partners. That's when I met Preeti about 4.5 years back and joined Lakshmi. Now, I'm sure Shashank, they've heard a little bit about Preeti, but I wanted to just add my own 2 bits to it. Now, Preeti comes with 30 years of experience. I don't think many people know, but she's actually one of the founders of Anand Rathi, right? So it was her who was the first person in stockbroking. Her husband set it up, and then her husband and Rathi ji came together. Today, she's been part of the same conglomerate that has $4 billion in AUM. She was MD of Anand Rathi before she did Lakshmi, and she stepped back. Now, why did she step back, and why did I, from a B2B family business and other tech, come and join hands? Because we realized as women, we're talking about equality. हम सबको equality चाहिए, equality opportunity की है. हम लोग बहुत अच्छे budgeters हैं. We are very good at saving money. Whether we spend 5,000, 50,000 or 5 lakhs, we make sure everyone is taken care of. Why then are women in India retiring with lesser wealth than men? And the statistic is a little scary. They say women are retiring with 65% lesser wealth than men. Is it because we're not hardworking? No, we're very hardworking. Is it because we're not good money managers? We're very good money managers. We will make sure everyone in the house is happy. If we want to put a child in a class, we will make sure. We want to buy a bag, we'll make sure. Why is it? Are we not good savers? We are very good savers. India is one of the biggest savings economy in the world. We're very good at saving money in the cupboard or in FD or in gold, right? Why then are we retiring with lesser money than men? So I think to solve this problem is where she first joined a community. We realized what is lacking is access to information. Literacy. School में कोई नहीं पढ़ाता है कि how should you manage your money? क्यों? That is such an important skill, right? There are so many subjects in school which we never touch, but managing money is a life skill we need. Not only the men in our family, even our kids need, right? That's how Preeti decided to step down from Anand Rathi, and I decided to join her to build Lakshmi, which is a money app for every woman in India. And what we realized is women are very good savers, budgeters, planners. They are amazing multitaskers. But इतने सारे products हैं. So it feels complicated. तो पापा used to put in FD, मैं भी उसी में करती हूँ. या gold safe है, मम्मी used to put in gold, मैं उसी में करती हूँ. But capital markets over the last few decades are the largest wealth creators. So that's how our financial fitness bootcamp came about. कि आपको एक घंटे में we can give you that knowledge, how you're spending money, how should you save it, and how can you invest it to make sure you can take charge of your financial safety net and your dreams. You know, and with this platform over the last few years, what we've done differently, yes, literacy ho sakti hai. What we've done differently is one, to literacy, two, we've built a platform based on what feedback thousands of women have given us, right? So thank you, Anita. So what we've done is launched India's first UPI. A lot of us use UPI, Google Pay, Paytm, PhonePe, right? We get rewards which we don't understand, shaving kit, right? हम लोग के parents used to do हिसाब किताब. We don't have the time to do हिसाब किताब. पैसे कहाँ जाते हैं UPI के साथ पता ही नहीं चलता है. So we've got an expense tracker that automatically tracks what you've put in UPI, how much has gone into transport, child education, grocery. So it gives you a month-end hisab kitab. So instead of writing in the book or in Excel, we have an automated expense tracker. We have automated budgeting, which is good for us, our kids, our families. You know, then we have women-centric features. You can add people in Lakshmi Pay to your favorites. You can actually set reminders कि मेरे को, you know, ये tuition fee pay करना है on the 5th of the month या electricity bill pay करना है 4th को मेरे को remind कर दो. So what we've done differently is we've learned from women we speak to. We've learned from community. They tell us कि मेरे को ये problem है. We've gone and built a solution around it. So not just literacy, but once we do literacy, we get feedback from everyone and we build that on the app. So that's how Lakshmi Pay was built with Preeti's financial product expertise. We have the India's largest, best wealth managers who curate the portfolios. We have India's first UPI. We have an expense tracker. We have, by the way, digital gold rewards. So on your payment, जैसे आपको scratch card मिलते हैं Google Pay, here you get gold rewards. And the entire ecosystem is to help you build your financial freedom and achieve your goals. You know, and on our community, we've had a woman say कि I took my family on her first holiday after 8 years. We were going through financial stress, so हम लोग का holiday हो ही नहीं रहा था, but I saved. Someone else who's been the first woman in our family to buy a house in her own name. And someone else who joined hands with the father and bought the family's car. You know, so beautiful stories because this is really built around the behavior and the needs of women. So that's a little bit about us. Happy to answer any questions. Would love actually at the end of the session if you all download the Lakshmi app and give us feedback because we learn from you. You know, we've obviously spoken to many women. We've done what we think is best, but where you're facing difficulty, what would help you, how Lakshmi Pay is helping you, and how maybe what's missing. If you give us feedback, we would love to build a better app for you going forward.
Thank you so much, Riddhi ji. That is very insightful and thought-provoking. I am also a staunch believer that women save well and very good financial managers. And the feedback thing will surely give you. Thank you so much, Riddhi ji.
And I wanted to just add one surprise, sorry, Anita ji. At the end of it, I think Shashank and the Lakshmi team have a surprise just for the Jito ladies, where they are offering a 1:1 counseling session for whoever decides to register. They will share the details post the end of the session. So
Great
that's
to hear.
1:1 completely confidential and curated and personalized for each one.
So nice of you. Great to hear about that. Thank you once again, Riddhi ji. Now, to take us deeper into angel and startup investing, with the right blend of finance and strategy and investor thinking, we are delighted to welcome CA Prachi Jain, a finance professional, investor, and entrepreneur. She is an All India rank holder, chartered accountant, company secretary, and law graduate with advanced global exposure in ESG and women-focused investing. With 15 plus years of across private equity, venture capital, and impact investing, she has worked with institutions such as Orphan, AWE Funds, C Fund, CEAF Fund, and Yes Fund by ES Fund. She is currently the co-founder and chief strategic officer of Innovate EdTech and a visiting faculty at SPJIMR. Ladies, please welcome CA Prachi Jain for the next procedure.
Thank you so much, Anita ji, for such a kind introduction. I will share my screen and I hope that the session becomes very interactive for all of you. Can you all see my screen? Can you see the screen? Yeah. So, Introduction to Angel and Startup Investing. This is session 4. We have studied a lot about various instruments over the past 3 sessions and the practical application of it. The set is stone right, but there is one more venue where you all can invest. But I will also come up with numbers as Preeti has, and it's always starking and overwhelming a lot of times because I see a lot of women are getting into investment, but the numbers are telling a different story. हमें लगता है हमारी बेटियां पढ़ के बाहर निकल गई हैं, बहुत कुछ कर रही हैं, but जब हम जैसे ही नंबर देखते हैं so we feel like it's mere just 1%, 2%, what's happening? So let's just talk about it. Today's agenda is this, and I will try completing it A as AP so that we can have a Q&A session. And of course, as Riddhi said, that there would be a surprise for all the ladies out here. Plus, there will also be what I call it, a vote of thanks, a special vote of thanks to the Lakshmi team. So we've all planned it today. Let's see we are able to catch up with time and do everything just in time so that all of you are there and see what we have curated for all of you. So the Money Mahajog for today, let's play this game. So this is the activity sheet. Just take out the pen and paper or a mobile phone And if you have 1 lakh rupees with you, how will you divide that amount in these instruments like gold, diamond, real estate, fixed deposits, Nifty 50, bonds, mutual funds? Just put in some arbit amount, 20,000, 10,000, 5,000, just based upon your risk profile. I'm sure a lot of women will put a lot of amount in gold. Few loves diamond, but there's a surprise for you for the diamonds. Few like buying real estate. कुछ जैसे रिद्धि ने बोला कि एफडी में डाल देते थे, कुछ गोल्ड में डालते थे. Nifty 50 is more about the listed equities, bonds and mutual fund. आप एक पेन पेपर के साथ ये लिखिए, बिकॉज यू विल गेट टू नो कि अगर आप कोई भी एक्स अमाउंट इनमें से किसी में भी डालते हैं या फुल अमाउंट मान लो गोल्ड में ही डालते हैं, तो इनका रिटर्न ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ 1, 5 और 10 years क्या होने वाला है. And now here's a surprise. I think I've given you enough time. Of course, the time is not enough in actual world to do the investing. But अगर आप 1 लाख रुपया कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट में डालते हैं, तो आपके रिटर्न इस हिसाब से होंगे. प्लीज ऑल अटेंशन ऑन द स्क्रीन नाउ. अगर आप गोल्ड में 1 लाख रुपया डालते हैं तो वो 1 साल के अंदर 1.36 हो जाएगा, 5 ईयर में 1.78 और 10वें साल में 3.68. But we all love diamonds. But see what diamond return we are getting, right? It is deteriorating. Lakh rupiya in diamond after a year will become 0.85. So technically, खरीदिए, but इतना मत खरीदिए. I think that's what I wanted to tell all the ladies who love diamonds. I also love diamonds, but after realizing this, I've stopped buying diamonds. I feel there is no point. There's no investment which is happening. Real estate, FD, they're almost giving a similar return. हमें लगता है, ये बात प्रीति ने भी बोली थी कि रियल एस्टेट में बहुत ज्यादा रिटर्न्स मिल जाएंगे हमको, बट एक्चुअली में अगर आप देखेंगे द रिटर्न्स आर सेम लाइक एफडी. सो 7 से 8% ही रिटर्न मिल रहा है आपको. Nifty 50 will give you around 3.8. Bonds again is more nearer tilted towards real estate. FD and bonds are similar. Mutual funds apparently seems to give you a better return over a period of 10 years. So you have to decide all these things. ये सब चीजें हमने पढ़ी थी, तो हमने सोचा आज आपको रिवीजन कराते हैं कि कहीं आपने इसके बारे में सोचा है कि आपको कैसे आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट 1 लाख रुपया हो कि 100 रुपया हो, डाइवर्सिफाई कैसे करना है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इट. बट आज हमें इन सब के बारे में बात नहीं करनी. आज हम एक और ऑल्टरनेटिव इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में बात करेंगे, विच इज इन्वेस्टिंग इन स्टार्टअप और भी व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज एन एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग. अभी आपने जितना भी बना उसमें एक और ऐड कॉलम करके रखिए जो आप खाली रखिए. आज के पूरे डिस्कशन के बाद वी विल डिसाइड कि हमें ये एक और एवेन्यू में इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है कि नहीं करना है. आई एम श्योर आज जो एक अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करेंगे हम, you will definitely take a conscious call कि आगे चल के whether you wanted to be an angel investor or not. I want all of you to be an angel investor because returns are voluminous, huge, but of course the risks are also very very high. तो आपके risk return profile पे you have to define that. But let's understand. उसके पहले I want you all to play this game. I think you all love playing the game. So just फटाफट chat box पे आप डालिए beauty and lifestyle e-commerce platform that became a unicorn and successfully went public. Quick. I want the name. And these are all women-owned enterprises. एक hint मैं आपको दे रही हूँ. Are people writing on the chat box? Yes, let me have a look at it. Oh, yes. So people are writing it correctly. It is Nykaa. It is Nykaa. एक minute. I don't know. Some issue with the... Just give me a second. Yeah, it has come. The second is focused on toxic-free products for infants, kids, and teens. What is the brand name? Can someone tell me the brand name? Quickly, I think you all know. इन सबको आप देख रहे हो कहीं ना कहीं, और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि ये वुमेन ओन कंपनीज हैं और इन सब में कोई ना कोई एंजल इन्वेस्टर ने इन्वेस्ट करा हुआ है. The answer is मम्मा अर्थ, गजल अलग. सब यूज करते हैं, सबके छोटे बच्चे होंगे या कोई दादियां होंगी तो पोते पोती होंगे. अनीता जी का आई नो पोता है. So, वो लगते नहीं है, of course. Now coming on to the third, a fintech platform helping women invest confidently with simple jargon-free guidance. ये कोई भी गलत नहीं बताएगा मेरे को. हम 3 बार से इन्हीं से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. Please, what's the answer? What's the answer? What's the answer? Yes, everybody is correct. Preeti Rati Gupta from Lakshmi. I don't know. Can everyone see? I'm not sure what's happening. I think when I'm
No, it's
reading
not
the...
moving.
Yeah, it's
Now it's
coming.
come. Now it's come.
Yeah, it has come now. a digital platform for maternity and baby products. I think सब लोगों ने यहीं से खरीदारी करी है अपनी, जब भी मैंने तो करी है जब मेरा बेटा हुआ था तो. You all have to tell me what's the name. Of course, it's First Cry, Namita Maheshwari. It's husband-wife couple who have started this company long back, and it's a great company. India D2C beauty and cosmetic products. I think she's also an athlete, runs a lot. आप सब इधर से सब खरीदते हैं, I'm sure. And it is, yes, you are right. It is Sugar Cosmetics, Vinita Singh. And last, a D2C brand redefining women's innerwear and body positivity. Of course, there are two brands which came at the same time, but I am writing for the name which is primarily owned and founded by women. The answer is this Richa Khar. So I think all of you are aware. I think it's a game. These are women just like us, started the enterprise, the entity one fine day, and they're all, most of them are unicorn. And this one, I really like this girl, clean label snack branding, promoting mindful and guilt-free eating. She is like 28, 29-year-old girl, was in Harvard, came back, realized कि हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोसेस फूड खा रहे हैं जो हमारे पूर्वजों ने हमें नहीं दिया था, जस्ट बिकॉज वी आर जस्ट कॉपिंग वेस्टर्नाइजेशन एंड बहुत तला हुआ खाते हैं. सो शी केम अप विथ व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एज हेल्दी स्नैकिंग. Open secret, Ahana Gupta. So I think these are beautiful ladies who have identified the problem and have found solutions. So when women starts a company, it is primarily the look for a very daunting problem and try to solve it. It's not like just creating an aggregator app and they're done with it. They're solving real problem for the needs of the women. I think most of them are the problems of women. They've tried cracking it in a lovely manner. B2B commerce and fintech unicorn ecosystem, which includes soft business, which is Ruchi Kalra, of course. I'm not sure how many of them knows it. I'm sure Riddhi knows about her. It's a unicorn and it's a great company. So these are the list of few entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs who have started this. So great. Thank you for playing this game. And I just wanted to set the mindset right because we have to learn about angel investing and startup. But before that, we have to be and we should ensure that we should know all these names, and I'm sure आप सभी को ये नाम पता होंगे. So थोड़ा अपना we should just understand a little bit of Indian startup ecosystem. 2 लाख रजिस्टर्ड स्टार्टअप है इंडिया में DPIT के पास, जिसमें से 125 स्टार्टअप्स इन ईयर ऑलरेडी यूनिकॉर्न. यूनिकॉर्न का मतलब होता है कि कंपनी का वैल्यूएशन $1 बिलियन. मैं INR नहीं बोल रही हूँ, 1000 करोड़ नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मैं बोल रही हूँ $1 बिलियन हो गया है. 1000 into 90 कर लीजिए, 92 चल रहा है अभी अपना डॉलर रेट. सो दैट्स द वैल्यूएशन ऑफ दीज कंपनीज. एंड जो कंपनीज मैंने आपको इसके पहले वाले पेज में बताई हैं, उन 8 या 9 कंपनी में से 6 कंपनीज ऑलरेडी ये बार क्रॉस कर चुकी है. देर ऑलरेडी $1 बिलियन कंपनी. Or government, I think after 2014, when Modi ji came in, a lot of support has been given to startups and 10,000 crore ka government support is being provided. Plus, there is a new fund which is coming up. So approximately 30,000 crores government has invested through various 3 fund of funds, which I personally know, and I've known people working towards them. So this is the ecosystem. Ye facts hai which you should all know. अभी एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज विच वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज, सबने निफ्टी 50 की बात करी, NSE BSE पे बात करी, हम कैपिटल मार्केट की बात करते हैं. कैपिटल मार्केट में सिर्फ 5500 कंपनीज हैं जिसमें हम इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. हाउएवर DPIT में अभी हमने देखा देयर आर 2 लाख कंपनीज. अगर हम ये माने कि 10% कंपनीज भी अच्छे कंपनीज हैं, सो हमारे पास 20,000 का यूनिवर्स है टू मेक इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, राइट, विच इज 3x टाइम्स दी 5500 which is there on the BSE NSE. Huge opportunity available, it's untouched, and there's a massive startup ecosystem there for you if you know the right way to make investment. Case in point is Oyo Rooms. I want to give this example. The early stage investor whom we call as angel investor, और जिसके बारे में हम बस अब नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में पढ़ने ही वाले हैं, समझने वाले हैं. 3 investors believed in that company. अनीता जी ने एक्चुअली वो कॉन्टेक्ट सेट कर दिया बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से जब उन्होंने बताया स्टार्टअप और एंजल के बारे में. जब उन्होंने आई थिंक 5.5 lakhs 3 to 4 investors have invested, and over a period of 5 to 7 years, can someone tell me how much they have got? कितना मिला होगा 5 लाख डाल के इंडिविजुअल को? तीनों को 15 लाख डाले, तीनों ने मिलके, 3-4 फ्रेंड्स ने मिलके. हाउ मच हैव दे अर्नड? हाउ मच हैव दे अर्नड? हाउ मच, जस्ट पुट इन एनी नंबर, मे बी 15 लाख डाले तो कितना 4x हुआ होगा, राइट? 3x हुआ होगा, 2 करोड़ कमाया होगा. How much did they earn? Can I get the answer, please? 100 crore plus. Absolutely, Anita ji, you are dot on. 90 crores in 7 years. That's the potential of investing in a startup, right? So it's a huge. एंड उसके बाद जो इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स है उनको 150x का रिटर्न मिला, यू इज स्टिल गिविंग रिटर्न्स टू इट्स इन्वेस्टर्स. सो दिस इज एन एग्जांपल, दिस इज द अपॉर्चुनिटी लाइंग. बट एज आई सेड, रिस्क बहुत हाई है, रिटर्न भी बहुत हाई होते हैं. तो हमारा रिस्क प्रोफाइल के हिसाब से जब हम पोर्टफोलियो डाइवर्सिफाई करते हैं तो 100 रुपीज में से हम शायद 5 रुपया इधर डाल सकते हैं, बाकी 95 जो मैंने आपको पहले स्लाइड्स में बताया उधर ही डालना चाहिए. गोल्ड हुआ, सिल्वर हुआ, रियल एस्टेट, म्यूचुअल फंड्स, बॉन्ड्स, एफडीज, बिकॉज वो आपको सिक्योर देंगे. दिस इज मोर लाइक सट्टा. इट मे नॉट हैपन, ऑफ कोर्स. It is not सट्टा for people who understands it properly, because there's a lot of things which goes when you invest in such kind of startups. Now, I don't know what happens when I just start the chat. Somehow this gets stopped. Is it moving? I'm so sorry. Yeah. Certain facts, I think again something which is very alarming. इंडिया में जो वुमेन ओन स्टार्टअप है उसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2.3% एंजल या वेंचर कैपिटल फंडिंग होता है. वी शुड ऑल बी अशेम्ड, बिकॉज हम इक्वालिटी की बात करते हैं. हमारी वुमेन ओन स्टार्टअप को ही 2.5% फंडिंग मिलती है. और उसका रीजन पता है क्या है? ऑन द अदर साइड आर ऑल मेल्स. Sometimes they do not understand the problem which a woman is trying to solve, which is very, very close. And I think this is something which everyone has said. ये बात सबने ही बोली है. As an investor, I have also raised fund and I've realized how difficult it is for a woman. So something like if someone is coming with a product which is related to menopause or menstruation, right? Or any product relating to even sanitary napkins or better products or eco-friendly products. The problem is a lot of times the other side, if they're all males, they do not understand the market for it and what is the problem which woman is facing. And a lot of times they may reject the great idea. And this has happened, but however, there are times when there is women on the other side, they understand the problem. And one of the company is Gynoveda, who is doing great, have raised multiple rounds of funding and trying to solve a very genuine problem for a woman. तो स्टार्टअप में फंडिंग कम इसके लिए हो रही है क्योंकि अदर साइड पे बहुत ही कम वुमेन इन्वेस्टर्स है. अगर हम देखेंगे 26,000 आर एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स इन इंडिया. दिस इज अगेन अ डेटा विच इज लाइक जस्ट देयर इन द मार्केट, जिसमें से सिर्फ 300-400 ही औरतें हैं, विच इज 1.5%. ये डेटा जो प्रीति ने फर्स्ट डे पे हमको बताया था कि 25% म्यूचुअल फंड औरतों के नाम पे है, जिसमें से 1% ही जो म्यूचुअल फंड है वो एक्चुअली औरतें इन्वेस्ट करें, बाकी तो सिर्फ उनके नाम पे ही है. बाकी वो कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन में अथॉरिटी नहीं लेके बैठे हुए हैं. सो ये प्रॉब्लम जो फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज एक्चुअली अ बिगर प्रॉब्लम वेयर वी हैव टू स्टार्ट टेकिंग डिसीजंस फॉर आवरसेल्व्स. प्लस प्राइवेट इक्विटी और वेंचर कैपिटल जो स्टेज 2 और 3 राउंड ऑफ फंडिंग होता है ना स्टार्टअप, उसमें भी सीनियर लेवल पे, जहां पे सीनियर लेवल पे जो पोजीशंस हैं, जो डिसीजन ले सकते हैं कि कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करना है कि नहीं करना है एक स्टार्टअप में, the number of women is only 2.4%. This is a very starking data. It is similar across the platform, and यही चीज हमको चेंज करनी है. And how we can change it? We can change it only in a scenario जब हम सब मिलके ये विचारे कि हमें फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट बनना है. तरीका कोई भी, और ये नंबर में भी 2 साल बाद हम सब शायद मिले, तो आई वॉन्ट कि इसमें थोड़ा चेंज हो और कुछ 50 जन मेरे जीतो ग्रुप से जाएं और बी पार्ट हो इन सभी का, टू चेंज दोज नंबर्स, बिकॉज बूंद बूंद से सागर भरता है. आई एम अ बिग बिलीवर ऑफ दैट. वन चेंज इन अ डे आई थिंक इज अ चेंज विच कुड, आई थिंक फॉर मी इट्स डन. आई मीन एक दिन में एक चेंज लाइफ में चेंज किया, इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई थिंक ये फैक्ट्स बताना आप सबको बहुत जरूरी था बिफोर आई वेंचर्ड इनटू व्हाट इट इज, बिकॉज unless it strikes you, you will never going to make investments in all these things. Indian success stories. Startup का definition अनीता जी ने बहुत अच्छे से बताया. So I will also tell, कुछ innovation होता है, कुछ नए ideas होते हैं, technologies होती हैं, which are designed for rapid growth and scalability. So जो I will say companies grow rapidly नहीं कर पाते, maybe they are not something which an investor want to invest in, but वो कंपनीज जिनमें ज्यादा पोटेंशियल है, डिसरप्ट कर रही हैं मार्केट्स को, उनमें इन्वेस्ट कर पाएंगे. दोज आर प्राइमरली स्टार्टअप्स. अगर मैं लेफ्ट पे देखूंगी तो आई हैव कंपनीज लाइक नायका, ममाअर्थ, लक्ष्मी, शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स, राइट पे, फ्लिपकार्ट, ओला, जोमैटो. So why do you think I have bifurcated this left hand side pe? Can someone tell me who are they and why, who are on the right hand side? Someone who want to unmute
Left
and
hand
talk.
side
Yeah.
women,
Sorry.
left hand side women entrepreneurs है.
Yes, left hand
And
पे सारे women
right पे male.
entrepreneurs हैं, right पे सारे male entrepreneurs हैं. And I wanted to pass on the message that हमारी छोरियां या छोरों से कम नहीं है. And I think with the World Cup in place, right, it's coming right away for male team for us. छोरियां जीत चुकी है, छोरों को जीतना बाकी अभी. Our boys really have to win the World Cup for us. The girls have done that thing for us. The women in blue have done that for us. एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टेल यू, दैट आप या तो एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं या आप इन्वेस्टर को खोज रहे हैं. अगर आपका ये माइंडसेट चेंज हो जाएगा, आई थिंक सारे कॉन्वर्जेशंस जो हमने 4 सेशंस में किए हैं, इट इज अबाउट क्रिएटिंग अवेयरनेस. आफ्टर क्रिएटिंग अवेयरनेस वी हैव टू बिल्ड दैट माइंडसेट. एंड टुडे आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग दैट माइंडसेट, बिकॉज माइंडसेट में चेंज होने के बाद चीजें बहुत आसानी से हो जाती है. आई थिंक इट इज ऑल अबाउट दैट रिलक्टेंस, जो हमारा माइंडसेट हम लोग नहीं चेंज कर पाते. सो this is the story. The left sides are all unicorn companies owned by women. The right again are all unicorn companies owned by males. So there is a level playing field with just 2.4% women entrepreneurs getting funded, with just 1.4% women on the platform. अच्छा कंपनी है तो पैसे आपको मिलेंगे. और अगर ये नंबर हम थोड़ा सा भी बढ़ा देते हैं ना, this will go haywire. I think I will have more companies on the left hand side than the right hand side with the unicorn status. And nothing against the males. I love all the males in my family. I love he for she. Shashank is looking at us कि ये क्या हो रहा है. But Shashank, we love your story. But there has to be a level playing field, and I'm just harping for that. And I think you are also there in Lakshmi for that. Stages of funding. I think this is a very interesting chart. हम बहुत ज्यादा confused हो जाते हैं. Private equity क्या है, debt क्या है, ग्रोथ कैपिटल का क्या मतलब है. आई जस्ट थॉट कि मैं एक छोटे तरीके से ये समझा दूं आपको. हम आज सिर्फ पहला जो हम वेंचर कैपिटल, सीड या स्टार्टअप, एंजल इन्वेस्टर या एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग की ही बात करेंगे, बिकॉज हम अर्ली स्टेज, क्योंकि अगर हम जैसे जैसे शिफ्ट जाते हैं अर्ली एक्सपेंशन या ग्रोथ कैपिटल पे, अमाउंट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है. वो एक इंडिविजुअल इन्वेस्टर नहीं डाल सकता. उसके लिए आपको या तो बड़े इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर के पास जाना पड़ेगा. व्हेन आई से इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर, इट कुड बी अ बैंक और इट कुड बी प्राइवेट इक्विटी और बिग वेंचर कैपिटल फंड, क्योंकि मिनिमम साइज ही 1 करोड़, 1.5 करोड़, 2 करोड़ के से स्टार्ट होके इट गोज अप टू 150, 300, 500,000 करोड़. दैट अमाउंट कुड बी ह्यूज. तो आज हम सिर्फ उसी के बारे में बात करेंगे. द फर्स्ट, बट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस, बिकॉज चीजें समझना इज ऑल्सो इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट. तो वेंचर कैपिटल, सीड, स्टार्टअप, एंजल इन्वेस्टर का ये कैटेगरी पे हम बात करेंगे. बाकी वी विल नॉट टच ऑन टुडे, बट दीज आर द स्टेजेस. एज द स्टार्टअप ग्रोज फ्रॉम लेवल 1 टू लेवल 2, उसको पैसे देने वाले लोग भी बदल जाते हैं, पर सबसे पहले उसको एंजल की जरूरत होती है. देन व्हाट इज एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग? एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग अगेन अलाउज अर्ली स्टेज फाउंडर्स. Lakshmi has also raised funding. I don't know how many of you knows. कोई भी स्टार्टअप जो स्केल करना चाहता है, जिसका आइडिया यूनिक है, उसको एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स की जरूरत होती है या कोई भी इन्वेस्टर्स की जरूरत होती है. उस सिनेरियो में एंजल प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, क्योंकि आइडिया एक ऐसे लेवल पे है जहां पे वो ऊपर जा सकता है. दे कैन गेट मोर पेइंग कस्टमर्स, बट उनके पास पैसों का कमी है. तो वो वही इंसान भर सकता है जो उस आइडिया को बिलीव करता है, राइट. सो इंडिविजुअल्स हमारे जैसे जिनके पास पैसे हैं, हु आर एज वी कॉल्ड एज अ हाई नेटवर्थ इंडिविजुअल्स और अल्ट्रा हाई नेटवर्थ इंडिविजुअल्स. इनफैक्ट आज के टाइम पे if you have as low as 5 lakh rupees, you can be an angel investor. You can invest minimum 5 lakh rupees एक कंपनी में डालना पड़ता है. And I will talk about various platforms which you can use over a period of time. So individual invest their own capital. किसी का पैसा नहीं होता. अनीता जी हैं, जैसे वो अपने बिजनेस से उनके खुद के पैसे डालेंगे कोई कंपनी में, शशांक डालेंगे, शीतल जी डालेंगे, कोई भी डालेंगे. इनसे शीतल जी गिव अ वेरी गुड एग्जांपल कि हम 1.5-2 लाख का बैग तो ले लेते हैं, लेकिन 1.5-2 लाख म्यूचुअल फंड में डालने के लिए सोचते हैं कि हम क्या करें, right? Very apt example, but we have to start thinking because bag multiply नहीं करता, but पैसे multiply होते हैं. एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग हम एज आई सेड कि हम बहुत अर्ली स्टेज लेवल पे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. कंपनी अर्ली ग्रोथ पे नहीं होती है. वी आर सपोर्टिंग अ स्टार्टअप बिफोर इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर कम्स इन, प्लस एंजल इन्वेस्टर थोड़ा मेंटरशिप भी ऑफर करता है कंपनी को। मान लीजिए अनीता जी को कोई कंपनी पसंद आई जो उनके ही खुद के एक पर्टिकुलर जो उनका बिजनेस है उसी से रिलेटेड है, तो वो जानती हैं कि इसमें कैसे एक छोटी कंपनी को बड़ा कर सकते हैं, तो वो उसको मेंटर कर रही है कि आप ऐसा करिए, आप ये करिए, मार्केट में ऐसे जाइए, ग्रोथ मार्केट स्ट्रैटेजी ये होना चाहिए। सो आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट इज एडेड टू द कैपिटल, एंड दैट इज व्हाट फाउंडर जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स होते हैं दूसरी साइड पे ये देख रहे होते हैं कि क्या ऐड होगा उसमें। सो मेंटरशिप कैपिटल ही नहीं देखते, वो देखते हैं कि मेंटरशिप कैसी होगी, वो एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स मेरे को कितना प्रमोट करेगा, मोटिवेट करेगा आगे बिजनेस करने के लिए। तो एंजल इन्वेस्टर को आप एक मेंटर की तरह समझिए, जो मेंटर तो है ही, प्लस आपको कैपिटल दे रहा है आपके बिजनेस को बढ़ाने के लिए, प्लस आप में वो बिलीव करता है कि आप ये कर सकते हैं। सो टेक्निकली दे हेल्प यू टेक दैट फर्स्ट बेबी स्टेप्स प्लस मनी सो दैट योर बिजनेस कैन ग्रो, क्योंकि भाई बिजनेस करना है तो पैसे की जरूरत तो पड़ेगी, बिना पैसों के बिजनेस नहीं होगा। बैंक बहुत छोटा छोटा डेट्स देती है, स्पेसिफिकली फॉर वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स। आई वाज इन अ प्लेस वेयर आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट मुद्रा लोन्स एंड आई सेड कि वहां पे ऐसा ही सोचा जाता है कि औरतें छोटा ही बिजनेस कर सकती हैं, तो उनके लोन का अमाउंट भी डेट सबवेंशन 10 लाख 15 लाख 20 लाख। अरे इफ आई हैव अ बिजनेस ऑफ 30 करोड़ आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद 10 lakh का मुद्रा स्कीम, आई मे नीड अ 5 crore सबवेंशन रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इफ दैट्स व्हाट यू रियली वांट मी टू डू। सो आई थिंक we have to change the narratives. The narratives are not changing. It's not only 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh, and a lot has been done. Having said this, government is doing a lot of things. Private banks have also come forward to give a lot of grants to companies. Now, why angel investing? अभी हमने समझ लिया what is angel investing. I think life में कोई भी चीज के लिए हमें 3 चीजें समझना बहुत जरूरी है, what, why and how. हमने what ये तो समझ लिया कि what is angel investing. Now, why is angel investing? As I say, हाई रिटर्न पोटेंशियल। अनीता जी ने बताया 15 लाख 90 करोड़ रुपए हो गए, राइट? एक्चुअली में हुए, इट्स नॉट अ स्टोरी जो मैं ऐसे ही बोल रही हूँ, आप जाके मिलिए। ये 90 करोड़, इट हैपेंड ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ 6 to 7 years. इट्स अ ह्यूज अमाउंट। सपोर्ट इनोवेशन, यू आर सपोर्टिंग एन इनोवेशन विच इन टर्न विल इंश्योर दैट इंडिया एक कंट्री होलिस्टिकली डेवलप हो आगे, राइट? बिकॉज हम नहीं तो वहीं रह जाएंगे, जब तक इनोवेशंस नहीं होते कंट्रीज में वो वहीं रह जाता है। सो विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एज अ सपोर्ट इनोवेशन। हम औरतें हमेशा खुद से पहले फैमिली का सोचते हैं, राइट? And that's where it comes in. We are supporting innovation for our Bharat Mata, right? Which is very important to make India what Modi ji desires it to be, or what we all desire it to be. Aspiring India, self-reliant India, Atmanirbhar India. And this is what can happen when we start investing a little amount of monies in those companies which have paved the way to change the way the India may look at, be it an EV, be it batteries, be it climate, be it sustainability, be it food and agri, be it any other sectors which is making the difference. And of course the financial empowerment, क्योंकि आप उनको जब पैसे देते हो, आप जब भी कोई एंजल इन्वेस्टर एक कंपनी को पैसे देता है, फंड करता है, उसके साथ वो और एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी भी तो बढ़ा रहा है, बिकॉज वो ग्रो करेगा तो एम्प्लॉयज भी बढ़ेंगे। सो इन अ वे इट्स डेवलपिंग अ होलिस्टिक इकोसिस्टम इन प्लेस। सो आप ये डेवलपिंग इंडिया जो डेवलप्ड होने के pathway पे है, you are also becoming a part of it, and it's a great feeling. So angel investing allows you to combine capital, conviction and impact. So so how to be an angel investor? I think this is very crucial because बहुत सारे लोग angel investor बनना चाहते हैं। बहुत सारे angel platforms हैं जहां पे आप angel investor बन सकते हैं। जीतो जिफ, जो हमारा जीतो का जिफ है, जीतो इनोवेशन एंड इंक्यूबेशन फाउंडेशन, वो एक प्लेटफॉर्म है स्टार्टअप्स के लिए, प्लस उनका एक जिफ का प्लेटफॉर्म भी है जहां पे आप एक मिनिमम फीस देके उसका पार्ट बन सकते हो। वो आपको डील्स दिखाएंगे एंड आप देन choose among those deals, or maybe tell them that you choose on my behalf, tell me initially what needs to be done. So there are various people, different levels. Jito is one, then you have Indian Angel Network, you have Mumbai Angel Network. There are a lot of angel networks. आपको उनका पार्ट बनना पड़ेगा, पहले आप उनका पार्ट बनिए, समझिए क्या हो रहा है। See, you have to understand things before starting investing. कल जाके आप इन्वेस्ट नहीं करोगे, इट्स अ लॉन्ग टर्म जर्नी फॉर यू। सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू हैव टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दोस प्लेटफॉर्म। लोग इवैल्यूएट कैसे करें, लोग क्वेश्चन कैसे करें, वी कैन हैव अ सेपरेट सेशन ऑन दैट कि हमें कैसे इवैल्यूएट करनी चाहिए कंपनीज, क्या क्या देखना चाहिए उसमें। ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक लेट्स वेंचर, देयर सो मेनी प्लेटफॉर्म्स अवेलेबल, बट उसका पार्ट कैसे बनेंगे हम? सबसे पहले हम जीतो जिफ से ट्राई करते हैं, दैट इज वन प्लेटफॉर्म थ्रू विच वी कैन ट्राई विद एंजल नेटवर्क, एनी नेटवर्क विच यू वांट टू, विच यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद। शायद आपकी फैमिली में ऑलरेडी कोई होगा, तो आप उसको बोले कि जो डील्स आ रही है आप मेरे को दिखाइए, मुझे पढ़ना है कि पढ़ना ही है, इट्स नॉट ग्रेट, 4 पन्ने का मेमो होता है, उसको पढ़िए, समझिए क्या है वो। इवेंट्स और कोहर्ट्स में आप जाएंगे, वेबिनार्स होते हैं, सेमिनार्स होते हैं, कॉन्फ्रेंसेस होते हैं, आप ऐसे सेशंस अटेंड करते हैं, वो भी आपको हेल्प करेगा। प्लस इंक्यूबेटर्स, एक्सेलरेटर, मैंने जिफ के बारे में बात किया, जो हमारा इंक्यूबेशन और इनोवेशन फाउंडेशन है, जहाँ पे स्टार्टअप्स को वो बढ़ावा देते हैं आगे जाने के लिए। वहां से भी हमको कंपनीज मिल जाती हैं जहाँ पे हम इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। इनफैक्ट 3-4 कंपनीज ऑफ जीतो आर रियली डूइंग वेल, दे हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड, जिफ एक्चुअली दे हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड एट वेरियस लेवल्स। सो आई थिंक ये सब जगह पे हमें थोड़ा अपना नेटवर्क बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। बहुत सारे ऐसे नेटवर्क्स भी हैं जो सिर्फ वुमेन को ही फोकस करते हैं, रीबैलेंस है, देन यू हैव एनक्यूबे, ऐसे बहुत सारे। बिकॉज हो सकता है कि मुझे ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं, व्हाई शुड आई आस्क अ क्वेश्चन, वी आल्सो हैव दैट फियर, मैं पूछूंगी तो सामने वाला मेरे को ऐसा ना सोचे कि मैं बेवकूफ हूँ, राइट? आई थिंक दिस इज वेरी कॉमन फियर विच वी हैव इन आवर माइंड। सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि अगर मेरे को नहीं जाना है तो लेट्स गो टू प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे सिर्फ वुमेन्स है, इट्स एन ओपन प्लेटफॉर्म, सेफ स्पेस फॉर वुमेन, आई विल से, दैट्स व्हाई लक्ष्मी इज आल्सो बीइंग क्रिएटेड, वी कॉल इट एज अ सेफ स्पेस। सिमिलरली डील्स के लिए भी, व्हेन यू वांट टू बी एन इन्वेस्टर, देयर आर सेफ स्पेसेस, you have to figure out. I can tell you if someone wants to go there. So it's all about this, but we have to start somewhere. We have to sit, think through whether I want to, I do not want to. If yes, there is a pathway to it associated to it. How angel investing work, discover startups, as I said, various platforms, networks के थ्रू आप स्टार्टअप डिस्कवर करिए आपके बिहाफ पे, बिकॉज आप वो प्लेटफॉर्म पे हैं। कंपनी का ड्यू डिलिजेंस होता है, ड्यू डिलिजेंस का मतलब होता है कि प्राइमरली वो अपॉर्चुनिटी को इवेल्युएट करते हैं कि इस कंपनी में पैसे डाले कि नहीं डाले। हर कंपनी में पैसे नहीं डाल सकते हम लोग के पास आएंगे 15-20, सो आई यूज टू इवेल्युएट मे बी 1000 कंपनीज, 1000 में से वी यूज टू फिगर आउट 100 कंपनीज जो एक्साइटिंग लगते थे, 100 में से वी में इन्वेस्ट ओनली इन 8 to 9 कंपनीज ओवर द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ द फंड। सो जनरली ये रहता है, और ये मैं आपको नहीं बोल रही हूँ करने के लिए, ऑफकोर्स यू डोंट हैव द बैंडविड्थ टू डू इट, आई एम टेलिंग यू हैव टू अप्रोच द राइट पीपल टू डू इट ऑन योर बिहाफ। दे कुड बी दीज प्लेटफॉर्म्स जिसके बारे में मैंने अभी बात करी है, वो आपको डील बताएंगे, एंड बहुत सारे जन आपके बिहाफ पे भी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं। यू हैव टू जस्ट से कि नहीं, मुझे, यू हैव टू मेक योर माइंडसेट दैट मुझे यहाँ पे पैसे डालने हैं। अगेन नेगोशिएशन, इन्वेस्टमेंट, सपोर्ट, ग्रोथ, ये सब वो प्लेटफॉर्म्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं आपके बिहाफ पे। दे मैनेजेस angel investors on one hand and startups on the other. They are more like a mediator who helps these people who have a lot of money to make investments in startups. They provide them curated deals, and this is very very crucial and important because initially आप नहीं कर पाएंगे, जैसे जैसे आप ग्रो करते जाएंगे, जैसे जैसे आप सीखते जाएंगे, पॉसिबल है कि आप ये खुद कर पाए आगे जाके। द रिस्क एंड रिवॉर्ड, सो एज आई सेड कि फेलियर रिस्क थोड़ा हाई रहता है 70 to 90%, बट एक्सेप्शनल रिटर्न्स भी रहते हैं 100x, आई हैव स्पोकन अबाउट 600x ऑल्सो। लिक्विडिटी रहती है 5 to 8 years तक, टिपिकली लॉक इन रहता है अमाउंट। आई थिंक 5 years इज द मिनिमम टाइम पीरियड, एंजल के लिए 3 से 4 साल रहता है। एंड टोटल लॉस पॉसिबल, yes, you may lose the entire amount of 5 lakh if you invest in a company जो कल जीरो पे चली जाती है, बट अगर वही कंपनी कल 5 लाख से 90 करोड़ चली गई तो यू कैन हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ रिटर्न्स एज वेल। Time intensive, due diligence and monitoring require effort. Of course, you don't have to do it. Your, I mean, the networks have to do it, but उसके बाद कहीं ना कहीं maybe you're not getting reports, तो कुछ ना कुछ रहता है, तो ये इसके रिस्क है। Rewards, as I spoke about, exceptional returns, portfolio diversification, एक asset class में I think एक तो इन्वेस्टमेंट करना ही चाहिए। इम्पैक्ट क्रिएशन सपोर्ट्स इनोवेशन एंड जॉब्स, एंड इट्स अ लर्निंग जर्नी। डेवलप बिजनेस ऑक्यूमेंट, आप एक्चुअली हर बिजनेस के बारे में बात कर पाएंगे। And the golden rule, which I have always said, high risk, high return, low risk, low return. Only invest when you can afford to lose entirely. I think you have to have that mindset, because आपको पता है कि out of 10 startups, 5 may fail, 2 may give normal profit, 2 to 3 may give normal profit, but 2 will give super normal profit, so that you have a return of maybe 5x or 6x. So I think that chance you all have to take. And it, as I said, it's all about learning, so please learn that. सक्सेस स्टोरीज, आई स्पोकन अ लॉट, बट यू नो इंडिया में 2 pioneers जिन्होंने ये नेटवर्क प्लेटफॉर्म स्टार्ट किया, नॉट फॉर वुमेन ओनली, इट इज फॉर मेल फीमेल बोथ। शांति मोहन इज फ्रॉम बैंगलोर, शी स्टार्टेड अ प्लेटफॉर्म कॉल्ड लेट्स वेंचर, and Let's Venture is one of the pioneers. In fact, they're the one who is the most regulated in terms of SEBI, Cat1, उन्होंने सब करके रखा है। They invest through a proper channel, and they were the pioneers and the first one to do that, and other people followed them. The other is Padmaja Ruparel, Indian Angel Network. So they both have accomplished, both are women. I put them specifically, both are women. I have more people, but I wanted to highlight them. They started this in 2014-15 when people were not talking about networking, because I think it's somewhere within that these people may understood what is meant by the community, and they have built up the community. And Let's Venture ke companies are really great. And as I said that you have to figure out कि मुझे किसके साथ एसोसिएट होना है. You can be at the same time दो तीन जगह पे भी, you may be at one place, because lot of times these people also invest together. So अगर पद्मजा के पास कोई कंपनी है, and which I think settles with what Shanti Mohan also wants to invest in. So Padmaja, Shanti, maybe JIF may come together and invest 10 crore rupees, but maybe individually जो investors होंगे वो शायद 5 लाख invest कर रहे होंगे over a period of time. So that's where the story starts very early, started by a woman. Build a solid angel portfolio, which as I said 8 to 12 startups होने चाहिए, because I typically said that. So typically अगर आपके पास 5 लाख रुपए आप 10 स्टार्टअप्स में डाल सकते हो. So 50 lakh is what you have to have in spare if you want to invest in this particular asset class. अगर otherwise आप, और ये आप खो सकते हो, मतलब you can put that money and forget about it. पैसे आएंगे तो फिर it could be a huge amount, नहीं आएंगे तो नहीं भी आएंगे. But I'm not telling पूरा डूब जाता है. अच्छी कंपनीज होते हैं, you may always get the principal plus 10 to 12% और 18% जितना अमाउंट मिलता है. But as I said, you have to find the right platform who will may take the decisions on your behalf, because you're still in the learning phase. You're not an investor. You have money right now. You aspire to be at a place where you can make your own decision, but उसके लिए learning करना पड़ेगा, जो बहुत important है. As I said, join syndicate, start small, learn fast. ये सब करना पड़ेगा और ये बहुत जरूरी है. I feel ये बहुत जरूरी है. वो numbers 1-1.5-2% देख के मेरे को बहुत दुख होता है. Every time on मैं ये number 2007 से देख रही हूँ, आज 21 साल हो गए. कुछ numbers बदल रहे, उसके पहले और भी कम होंगे. Double digit में तो आए ये numbers, so that all of us as a woman could be happy. And I'm sure सबके बच्चे बाहर हैं, सबके बच्चे कुछ कर रहे हैं. Then why these numbers are not increasing is a question which I always have in my mind. So we have to be the change. We could be the change. Angel investing versus venture capital. I have spoken about angel investing. Venture capital stage 2 होता है, as I said, उसमें ज़्यादा बड़ा amount invest होता है, 5 crore. So it's not something which we should be investing in. बट अगर आपका फैमिली ऑफिस है, मान लीजिए आप में से किसी का बड़ा फैमिली ऑफिस है, यू हैव अ टर्नओवर ऑफ 1000 करोड़ और आपका ऑलरेडी आपने पार्क कर दिया कि इसमें से 100 करोड़ मेरे को अलग से एक फैमिली ऑफिस के थ्रू पैसे डालने हैं, यू कुड इन्वेस्ट इन अ वेंचर कैपिटल जो आपके बिहाफ पे कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट करेगा, और यू कुड योरसेल्फ फॉर्म अ वेंचर कैपिटल बेस्ड अपॉन व्हाट यू गॉट टू डू. तो ये दोनों मैंने इसके लिए समझाया, सो दैट यू हैव दैट क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि वेंचर कैपिटल इज वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग. एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग इज व्हाट यू सी ऑन शार्क टैंक. आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ यू पीपल हैव सीन शार्क टैंक. वैल्यूएशन, डाइल्यूशन, प्रोडक्ट, सर्विस, बहुत सारी बातें होती हैं, बहुत सारे सच झूठ भी होते हैं. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज दे आर ऑल इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स. हाई नेट वर्थ इंडिविजुअल्स हैं और खुद के पैसे कंपनी में डाल रहे हैं, राइट? Of course, you take equity stake in the company. That's the thing. You're not taking any debt. आप debt नहीं दे रहे हो कंपनी को, आप equity दे रहे हो. तो you also become the owner in the company. When you 5 लाख दोगे तो maybe 0.12% या 0.10% based upon what is the valuation of the company रहेगा आपका. Why more women should invest in startups? It is diversifying your portfolio, support inclusive innovation, build financial independence, shape the future, learn and grow. I think I've spoken a lot about on all of these topics as well. This is something which I've already discussed. I think वो दोनों जगह पे slide आ गया ऊपर और नीचे. Nonetheless, we have just created this in a day's time. I had certain personal emergencies. I have to rush for that. So no issues. I love this slide better than the other one. Women in Indian startups breaking barriers, expanding participation. I'm repeating myself again and again on that. Inspiring role models. Of course, we have great people. Preeti is one of those. We have Shanti Mohan. We have Seema Chaturvedi. We have Anisha Singh. We have so many people around there. We have to find the right role models to see what they are doing, how they are doing it, and aspire to be just yourself. I think you could be Anita, you could be Prachi, you could be Sheetal, you could be Hiral, Riddhi, whatever. I think it's your individual way or style of understanding. And it's a unique perspective. It gives you diverse thinking. Today, I'm not bragging about me. If you you give me any sector. I think my peers used to tell me, मैम, और जब भी आपको कोई भी एक सेक्टर देते हैं आप उसके बारे में 5 मिनट तो बात कर लेते हो. How do you know about the sectors? The answer is simple. For 16 years, I've only learned about various sectors and industry. And आप जब उसके बारे में जानते हैं तो आपको knowledge is one part of the story. आपको पूरे इकोनॉमी की समझ होने लगती है, आपको पूरे वर्ल्ड की समझ होने लगती है, आपको समझ में आता है ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, एंड समटाइम्स यू गेट लॉट ऑफ आंसर्स, एंड आपके उस वजह से प्रोस्पेक्टिव फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट, इधर इट इज गोल्ड, म्यूचुअल फंड, सब करेक्ट होने लगते हैं. मतलब इट्स ऑल अबाउट लर्निंग. आज वॉर हो रहा है, इसके लिए rate of golds have gone high. I'm sure everybody knows that, right? Otherwise, and there are a lot of things which is happening. So it is all connected. It is not one thing. So we all have to learn this over a period of time. Due diligence, I think it's again founding team सबसे important होती है. अगर investor पसंद नहीं आया आपको, तो I don't think anyone will going to invest in any company. Market opportunity $1 billion होना ही चाहिए. I think I've taken this session long back on a pitch deck where I've spoken about these. मार्केट अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर मार्केट ही 100 करोड़ रुपए का है तो मैं कभी भी इन्वेस्ट नहीं करूंगी वो कंपनी में एज एन इन्वेस्टर, बिकॉज आज एक है, मतलब मैक्सिमम रेवेन्यू यू कैन डू इज ओनली 100 करोड़, राइट? बट इफ मार्केट इज $1 billion और 1,000 और 10,000 करोड़ मार्केट, आई नो कि जितने भी नए कॉम्पिटिटर्स आएंगे, मेरे पास बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी है. मेरी कंपनी में जिसमें मैं इन्वेस्ट करी उसके पास भी बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. प्रोडक्ट एंड ट्रैक्शन, मिनिमम प्रोडक्ट वैल्यू प्रपोजिशन तो होना ही चाहिए, डिफरेंशिएटेड प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए आपका, कस्टमर वैलिडेट करना चाहिए आपके प्रोडक्ट को, एंड इट शुड बी प्रोडक्ट, द प्रोडक्ट मार्केट फिट, यू शुड मेक प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर दी कस्टमर्स. बहुत बार हम इतने ऑब्सेस्ड हो जाते हैं एज स्टार्टअप और ओनर्स ऑफ द कंपनी, हम खुद के लिए प्रोडक्ट बनाने लगते हैं. हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि हमको प्रोडक्ट यूज नहीं करना है, प्रोडक्ट यूज करना है कस्टमर को. सो फोकस शुड बी दैट. तो अगर एक फाउंडर ये सब चीजें ध्यान में रख के, राइट, उसका मॉडल क्लियर होना चाहिए, रेवेन्यू मॉडल, बर्न रेट, पाथ टू प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, आई थिंक दीज आर द थिंग्स. आपको सिर्फ इतना ही देखना है. अगर आपने ये सब चीजें देख ली तो आई थिंक यू आर एबल टू टेक द कॉल कि मैं इसमें प्राइमा फेसी कॉल में बोल रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं कि डालना है. उसके बाद तो ड्यू डिलिजेंस होता है, रेड फ्लैग्स आते हैं, हो सकता है उसने सारे अकाउंट ही फज करके दिए हो आपको, तो ये सब चीजें बहुत बाद में पता चलती है. लेकिन प्राइमा फेसी आप अगर ये 4 चीजें देख लेंगे ना कंपनी में, जब पहला 10-15 पेज का पिच डेक आता है, तो आई थिंक यू विल हैव अ कॉल, यू कैन टेक अ कॉल कि मुझे ये कंपनी में पैसे डालने हैं कि नहीं डालने हैं. मिथ्स अबाउट एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग कि आप 1.5-2 करोड़ के ऊपर का अमाउंट एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स डाल सकते हैं. नो, 5 लाख इज द मिनिमम अमाउंट विच यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन अ कंपनी. 5-10 सब प्लेटफॉर्म्स का अलग अलग अमाउंट रहता है. ओनली मैन इन्वेस्ट इन स्टार्टअप, ऐसा नहीं है, 2.5% औरतें भी डालती हैं और वो काफी अच्छी जगह पे डालते हैं जो रिटर्न्स अच्छे देते हैं. सो रियलिटी इज वुमेन शुड बी इन्वेस्टिंग एंड दिस नंबर नीड टू इंक्रीज. Angel investing is gambling. I started stating that it's a satta, but as I said, there is only satta for people who do not understand this industry. There is a lot of work which goes into it. अगर आपको वो समझ में आता है तो it is not satta. It is a calculated risk which you are taking. Risk तो आपका हर जगह लेते हैं. I think you are taking risk in anybody. I think even in arranged marriages you are taking a risk, right? You don't know what will happen, but you are taking that risk, and it's a lifetime risk. Return तो ठीक है, principal है, amount है, पैसा जाएगा. That's a big risk. Plus इन आवर इंडस्ट्री, इन्वेस्टमेंट इंडस्ट्री, हम ये बोलते हैं कि आप जब किसी कंपनी में पैसे डालते हैं, इट्स अ मैरिज विद अ डिवोर्स डेट फिक्स्ड. आपको पता है 4.5-5 साल में आपको निकल के जाना है यहाँ से. सो यू हैव टू हैव अ वेरी गुड पार्टनरशिप विथ योर विद द फाउंडर्स विथ हुम यू आर डूइंग इट, बिकॉज एज पार्टनर्स यू हैव टू बिल्ड दैट कंपनी सो दैट यू कैन टेक इट टू अ नेक्स्ट लेवल. तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात लगती है सबको कि हाँ, इट्स अ मैरिज बट डिवोर्स डेट बात फिक्स हो गई है, विच इज ग्रेट, बिकॉज आई नो दैट मुझे इस कंपनी के साथ इतने साल ही रहना है और फिर मैं मूव ऑन कर जाऊंगी, एंड आई विल गेट माई रिटर्न्स फ्रॉम दैट. योर जर्नी बिगिंस नाउ. आई थिंक आई एम श्योर out of whomsoever has attended, 1 or 2 would take a leap forward and start investing in this asset class, and of course the other asset class. I think a lot more in the other asset class, and you have to take this journey, take one step, join the movement, create the impact, and this is extremely important. It's time to start a new conversation. Thank you, Lakshmi, for the 4 sessions. Thank you, Riddhi, Shashank, Preeti, Hiral, Siddhi, for this amazing journey of smarter money to make women smart. This is what Riddhi was talking about. If you all can scan, give 1 minute. अगर किसी को भी 1-to-1 काउंसलिंग चाहिए तो वो ये पर्टिकुलर जो स्कैनर है उसको स्कैन कर ले सिर्फ, और हम ग्रुप में भी ये स्कैनर डाल देंगे. सो 1-to-1 काउंसलिंग जिसको भी चाहिए और अपना जर्नी आगे बढ़ाना है, they can definitely take a step forward. I would request Hiral if you could put the scanner in the group, because I may stop sharing it in a while now. There may be a lot of ladies who would not have kind of done the scanning. तो आप अगर वो ग्रुप पे डाल देंगे तो easy हो जाएगा उनके लिए स्कैन करना. But this is the surprise gift. 1-to-1 counseling free, which they are providing at 6,000. Amazing opportunity. I will also go and do that counseling, because as I said, I know about my industry, but there are a lot of times I don't know about mutual funds, gold, what to do, how to do, goal setting. Extremely important. So this is what I wanted to say. Thank you so much from Adnovate and Lakshmi. I pause here. Thank you for the great opportunity. I'm sure we have made the difference, Anita ji, what we were trying to aspire since November. I hope with this session, I tried to 5:30 पे डॉट आपको मैंने दे दिया अनिता जी because we have vote of thanks and appreciation. So all yours, Anita ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Jai
Prachi.
Jinesh.
Thank you. The statistics you showed us were mind-blowing, and they were the curtain raisers. It was shocked that women are very less percentage of investment. We'll try to increase the numbers for the future. And before we formally close, I would like to offer a vote of thanks, and I sincerely acknowledge the entire Apex and core team for being a constant guiding force throughout the Smarter Money sessions. Your vision, direction, and steady support have been the backbone of the series, Srimati Sheetal Chittukar. A heartfelt thank you to Lakshmi team, Srimati Preeti ji, Riddhi ji, Hiral ji, Siddhi ji, Shashank ji, and I don't feel I missed anyone. No, and Prachi also. Chalo, I
Bhavika is
especially-
also there from our team.
Who?
Bhavika.
Bhavna ji, yes. For constantly delivering with clarity and integrity. I thank them. And a special thanks to Prachi ji for today's session and for bringing an out-of-the-box, grounded perspective to this finale. Thank you, entire JLW team and enthusiastic audience. Your presence, questions, and commitment to learning are what make us curate these type of sessions. With that, I conclude. And Prachi, I would like to invite all for the appreciation letters. We are
Yeah,
about to
just give
on
me a
that note,
second. Anita ji, I have some issue. It is not opening. Can I send it to you, please?
Yeah, sure. Then we'll be sending them through mail.
Yeah. You can just open it up also.
Yeah.
It will. You have the sharing rights, or maybe
Yeah, I have the sharing. You can send it to me.
I'm sharing it with you, Anita ji. I've just shared that with you. So if you could just open it up one by one, we can just read the names and
Yeah.
get it done.
It was very, very good session, and we would like to appreciate the Lakshmi team. The beginner session was so clearly taught. Now all the women, they were enjoying the session. They were enthusiastic to join. We had a lot of question answers. We were constantly asked. We were knowing that they want to join. They want to learn more and more. And in near future, we'll be again approaching Lakshmi for this. Yeah.
Anita ji, were you able to open it? I don't know why this is so tricky. Technology plays a role sometimes.
I guess while you all open that, even I would
So,
like to
Hiral,
thank.
do you have access to it? Maybe Anita ji, are you able to do it?
2 minutes. We are doing
Sure.
it.
So we wanted to share.
So Prachi, till you all find it, I want to thank everyone.
Please go ahead. Yeah.
So it's been an amazing journey for us also. We've been doing boot camps for quite some time, but I guess the way the whole arrangement has been done, the whole committee, and the kind of josh we have seen across all these 4 sessions, typically वो dip होते हुए दिखता है हमें कि first session में ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं और फिर कम आते हैं. Today also we have crossed 100. That really shows the kind of strength the committee has, and the kind of eagerness everybody has to learn, which is very rare today, right? कि क्यों सीखना है? After reaching a certain point in life, हम बोलते हैं चलो ठीक है ना, सब सही चल रहा है. And this is not entertainment. This is something where आपको literally absorb करने बहुत सारे concepts आ रहे हैं. You literally have to wait, understand, assimilate, and ask. So really respect for everybody here, especially Sonali ji, Sheetal ji, Sarla ji, Yeshma ji, Shashi ji, and Kavita ji. We really enjoyed doing these sessions. One thought I would like to give everybody is it's very important for us to get a risk appetite really checked. There are a lot of options to invest. मतलब अगर आप अभी 4 सेशन के बाद देखोगे, you'll all excited कि चलो थोड़ा स्टार्टअप में करते हैं, थोड़ा यहाँ करते हैं, थोड़ा वहाँ करते हैं, जो हर जगह करना चाहिए, बट अपना रिस्क पहले समझना चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि हमारा रिस्क लेट्स से बहुत लिमिटेड है और हम बहुत हाई रिस्क इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं और फिर बोलते हैं यार ये चल नहीं रहा। तो आई गेस वंस द रिस्क इज मैनेज्ड, I feel very slowly and steadily that confidence or a lot of asset classes open for everybody. And that is what eventually makes, that there's a certain glow that you get once you actually are in control of your money and you know कि आपका पैसा कितना पैसा कमा रहा है. So yeah, thank you everyone for this.
Thank you so much, Shashank, for kind words. And thank you so much for taking this time out, all the entire team, and doing this session with so much josh. I would have to reciprocate the same as you have to us. Anita ji, wo hua?
Even Prachi, Anita ji, thank you so much. It was lovely. Lakshmi has really enjoyed this, and we really thank you. And session was amazing. Prachi today, really we learn a lot. So as Shashank told, I would also like to put over here that it is always about the risk capacity and the risk appetite. So you need to understand what level of risk and what rewards is there. So there is always a personal finance which we have to take care. So once the awareness and financial planning is in place, things will get in order. So thank you everyone. Jai Jinendra.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jinendra.
Yeah, Hira.
So yeah.
Continue.
Yeah, Anita ji, please go ahead. So Siddhi, I know she's not
we are
there.
up with the certificates. Yeah. With lot of appreciation, we present it to Siddhi ji. Then one more. To Hiral ji. Though she was in bed rest, she attended all the programs. She had given a lot of insights in this subject.
And Anita ji, she is the one who has been making all the presentations also, I must say. She's the one who's doing all the presentations.
Thank you.
Great. Yes.
We have...
This is for Preeti ji, the founder of Lakshmi, who has taken the first session, and we had 300 participants attending that program that day, the session. We have Prachi Jain with us. We have Shashank ji and Siddhi ji.
Riddhi is also there. Yeah.
It's to Riddhi ji, yes.
We'll also share the certificates. We'll email it to you, but we just thought to show it here. I think there was a technical snag. I have to show it, but thank you, Anita ji, for doing that favor.
Thank you.
I'm so glad people are still waiting. 81 participants right now, Anita ji, still there listening to us patiently. And I have done it before time, so I'm very glad that I could give more time. Anybody has any Q&A, we are happy to answer. Anita ji, we can take another 5 minutes because we are closing session. तो किसी के पास कोई question है, किसी से भी please आप unmute करके पूछ सकते हैं. Shweta, if you can give the unmuting right, I mean if you could just unmute all of them so that they can ask their question rather than typing. Shweta, anyone has any question, anything related to Lakshmi, not pertaining to today's session, पुराने sessions में भी कुछ ऐसा है जो आपको पूछना है या आप चाहते हैं कि इनसे reach out करें. We'll also share everyone's number. Thank you, Karishma ji.
Anyone can unmute, ma'am.
Yeah.
I think the subject was very clear. They don't have any questions, I feel. It was very, very clear and transparent.
Awesome. Great. So you can also reach out in the group. We'll keep the group live for some time so that women who want to reach out to the Lakshmi team, they can reach out. They can reach out to me for anything. I mean, me and Anita ji all there for all of you.
Always.
Yes. So
on that note, we come to close our Smarter Money. It was really amazing session, all the 4 sessions. And we feel we have become financially fit in these 4 sessions. At least we have some clear vision what to do next. Thank you so much for all the clarity and the sessions. Thank you the faculty. Thank you JLW, and thank you all the participants. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anita ji. Thank you, Anita ji. I must say thank you to you as well. We have been together in this journey. And jitna bole utna kam hai aapko thank you bolna. And you have always been that source of inspiration. Of course, mom, dadi, J Point, you're managing so many things. And of course, appreciate Anita ji also because unke bhi husband and Papa ji dono for some reasons has been admitted to the hospital during this journey, and she has been there through and through. I have but I think it's about the commitment which women have, and they continue to abide by that commitment. Hats off to you, Anita ji, and it's always so good to learn from each other. Every day is inspiring because it's she for she and he for she. I think that's what I have to say.
Thank you so much, Prachi.
Thank you
I
so
love
much, everyone.
meeting
Thank you.
Thank you
Love
so
you
much.
all.
Anita ji.
Thanks.